In this video, let's talk about can Tesla Model X wheel spaces cause wheel vibration. People read that the Tesla Model X wheel spaces may cause wheel vibration. In fact, Tesla Model X wheel spaces will not cause any vibration. If there is a sure sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The fitness of the Tesla Model X wheel spaces and the tightness of the lug nut are the two first factors you should focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issues. Most wheel vibration problems are balanced on lug-centric Tesla Model X wheel spaces. A lug-centric spaces mean there is a big hole in the middle. The lug holes are also made larger to fit a variety of vehicles. Without a snug fit, these spaces are centered on the vehicle's hubs only by wheel studs. If you are using these cheap spaces, there is a high risk of wheel vibration. In this case, well-produced hub-centric Tesla Model X wheel spaces will be the easiest solution. As long as you use quality Tesla Model X wheel spaces, install them properly, they are very safe and reliable. Since the wheel stud and lug nut use a clamping force to secure the Tesla Model X wheel spaces and wheels. If the stud or lug nuts are not strong enough to support this process, they will likely be bent by road impact. The provided wheel studs of BONOSS Tesla Model X wheel spaces are made of high-strength SCM-4 alloy steel. They have achieved ISO standard grade 4.9 with higher strength. Your Tesla Model X wheel spaces will be more processed without breaking. Hub-centric Tesla Model X wheel spaces keep the wheel centric and balanced on the vehicle's hubs while driving. After the spaces and the wheel are properly torqued, the hub-centric ring covers the gap between the center bolts of the wheels to the hubs of the vehicle. Thus, hub-centric Tesla Model X wheel spaces are important. They ensure that fit wheels are perfectly secure on the vehicle. This helps to prevent any kind of vibration issues. BONOSS Tesla Model X wheel spaces are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layer process, and the barrels fit the corresponding hub flange, which eliminating any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since Tesla Model X wheel spacers are components that can touch other parts, you absolutely need high tolerance.